Woo! Hello! Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, for today we will have an unleashing. Yep, it's unleashing, but it's not a ganta. That's why I don't tell you the segment, because I still don't have a segment for playing or gaming. Yeah, because this is part of the Nintendo Switch that I've unboxed last time. Let's have it for today. This one is for Switch. And yeah, without further ado, with my rusty but still trusted cutter, yeah, and it's a little bit too big for today. Let's go, let's unleash this. Okay, so we have here your this is, what is this? No, this is a case for my Nintendo Switch. Yup, a case in case I will travel and I will have my Nintendo Switch with me. This is like a travel bag. Yeah, so let's take it on the plastic. You can see it properly. Wow, the quality is nice, man. Yeah, and yeah, very nice. Okay, so this is a Mario type case, which is, you can carry it. It's like a luggage, just like that. Yep. And I think it will also have some straps inside, because we see this one here, another one right here, and it has this the protection for your zippers. Yep. So I think we need to open this, and yeah, I will just open this like this one, because it's so hard that I will transfer to my front my rear camera. So let's open this one like this. Wow. Oops. Okay. Okay. So you'll need to unstrap this one. There's a button. It's like the Mario's jumper. So it also has a plastic. So let's get the plastic. Wow. Wow. Before we go on, the price for this, it's around 900 pesos, and it's a pre-order from overseas, as I know this is from Malaysia or Thailand. Yeah, so I ordered this on Shopee, an online shop here in the Philippines, and also I think from Asia. So now let's try. It's like a button, so I think we need to unbutton it right there. Another one, so that we can open your case of Mario. Yeah, Mario. And open. Wow. So we have here something inside, which is, this is the case for your Nintendo Switch. We will talk about that later. And we have the strap. As I told you, there's a strap, but we'll also talk about that later. So we have here a foam. Yeah, it's a foam that really suits your Nintendo, or your Nintendo Switch, or the game itself, or the console itself. And yeah, I have here my Nintendo Switch right here. I get it in advance because I know already what's inside on my package or my parcel. And this one will go onto the other one, the other bag here, a little bit of bag here, which we'll talk about later. So we'll just talk about here. This bag will be up in this part. So this, where the console will be in. Okay. And then under here, you can put your let's say, what's that? Your dock, right? The Switch dock. You can put it here, and then the control, which is the additional controls for when you get the Joy-Cons on the Switch. And then you can put your HDMI and some charger, the charger or the wire for your to power up your dock, and also to charge your Nintendo Switch. You can put it right here. Okay, so it's a very nice, and yeah, it's not like, as I know, it's not licensed from Nintendo and also Super Mario, this case, but it's very nice. And wow, we still have right here, you can open it and you can put your cards or the games. Yeah, because Nintendo has those games which on that, like memory cards right there. So you can put it here. As you can see, I think I have a game here. Let me get on my Nintendo here, which is the World War Z. It's also a game that I've got recently. Yeah, let's see if it will fit. Oops. Oh, it got turned on. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, so let's see if it can fit on it. And yeah, it is. It is. As you can see there, it fits. So it will be secured right there. And that's it. And there are still more pack right here which you can open right here. Put something, some let's say some other accessories for your Nintendo Switch. You can put it here, and yeah, very nice. It's knitted, it's net and mesh. It has also a foam inside. Yep, it's very nice. So worth for 900 pesos here. I think that would be how many dollars what that would be? 50? No, it's not 50. I don't know how much in dollars, but yeah, it's very nice. So let's lock first, and let's have the strap. Okay, so we have here the strap of the case right here. So this is the strap, which is on blue color. It's like the jumper of Mario, and you can put it here on your, and wow, the metal right there is very nice, very shiny. So you can put it here like that, and then another one right here, the other part. Let me get it like that. So you can bring your case wherever you want it. Yeah, like that. Nice. I really like this case, man. I really like it. You can also adjust the strap if it's too short or too long for you. So there's you can adjust it right here. It's like literally, it's like just a bag, okay? And if you can also carry it like this. It's like a carry bag also. A body bag, a carry bag. Yeah, you can bring your game wherever you want. If you need to go to other place and you want to play, yeah, it's just too big if you go to other places. But yeah, if you're going to other country or other places that's a little bit too far, you can secure your Nintendo Switch in here. And yeah, it's a Mario theme case. So now let's have this one. I asked the seller if it's also part of the case, because it has also a separate cell or separate item which you can also buy it, which is this is the only one that you will buy. But yeah, when I asked the seller, they said that it's also part of the baggage. So yeah, it's a good buy already. But yeah, as I see it right here, again, it's not licensed, and it's a pre-order, and as I know, they made this. Yeah, so there is something that's not so good right there. So you can see right there, it's the stitches is not right, and the cuts. So, but yeah, it's a case, man. You don't need to be so nice or very perfect. Yeah. So, wow. Again, another one. You can put again your games right here. Let's try the World War Z again if we can put it. And yeah, it's very secure, as you can see there. So nice. So there's also some nets here which you can put other things right there. You can put other things right here, and then you can put your Nintendo Switch here, and another right there, and your Switch will be secured. Very nice. And then close it, and then zip it, and then have a button, another one, and yeah, you're good to go. You have your Nintendo Switch on a case, and it's very nice, man. And if you need to go to other places, you can bring this one and open it and put case right here so that it will be more safe. Yeah, more safe. And close it, and then zip it, and then don't forget the buttons of Mario like that, and you have it. And then you have the strap right here, and you can put your bag right here, and Insert the stand, and you will have it like this one. Yeah. Nintendo Switch secure. Okay, so yeah, I'm just so very happy to have this one because yeah, I'm planning to go somewhere, and yeah, I want my Switch to be safe, and maybe if there's something that you can dock, or a TV which you can dock your Nintendo Switch, then it's very nice because you can play it on your other TV, or yeah, other televisions. But yeah, as I know, as we know that Nintendo Switch is also good for handheld consoles. So I think the other bag which is inside here, you can also really use that when you are going outside. But there's no straps or any kind of protection for that, or any that you can carry it like this one. But yeah, it's still usable. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's what we unbox or we unleash today. And this is your Super Mario theme Nintendo Switch bag or case. Bag or case. It's also a case because it's a hard, man. It's hard case. You can hear that. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want, or if you like this kind of videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you'll be informed for my next videos. Okay, so this is your Mario theme Nintendo Switch bag or case, hard case, whatever you call it. And yeah, it's very nice. Mario theme. It's has this buttons. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Nintendo Switch signing off. Yeah, I need to make a segment for that.